There are lots of BMX bikes you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these BMX bikes are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost and more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Dynacraft Tony Hawk. The Dynacraft Tony Hawk line is a testament to the legendary skateboarder's enduring legacy, offering a range of high-quality products designed to inspire the next generation of riders. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these items are crafted with precision and attention to detail to enhance your skating experience. From sleek and durable skateboards to rugged and stylish BMX bikes, the Dynacraft Tony Hawk collection has something for every rider. Each product is engineered with top-notch materials and innovative design features, ensuring optimal performance and safety on the streets or at the skate park. With eye-catching graphics and Tony Hawk's iconic logo emblazoned on every item, these products not only deliver top-notch performance but also exude style and attitude. Whether you're shredding ramps, grinding rails, or cruising around the neighborhood, you'll do it in style with Dynacraft Tony Hawk gear. Join the legacy of one of the greatest skateboarders of all time and elevate your riding experience with Dynacraft Tony Hawk products. Get ready to unleash your passion for skating and BMX with gear that's built to last and designed to impress. Number 2. Bicycle 20 and 16 Freestyle Bike. Introducing the Bicycle 20 and 16 Freestyle Bike, available in 2 dynamic models, Stealth and Pee-wee. Designed for thrill seekers and budding riders alike, these bikes combine rugged durability with sleek aesthetics for an unparalleled riding experience. The Stealth model boasts a stealthy black frame accented with vibrant pops of color, exuding an aura of mystery and style. Its 20 wheels provide stability and control, perfect for mastering tricks and navigating urban terrain with ease. On the other hand, the Pee-wee model is tailored for younger riders with a 16 frame, ensuring a comfortable fit for riders of smaller stature. Its playful design features eye-catching graphics and bright hues, inspiring confidence and excitement in every pedal stroke. Both models are equipped with high-performance components, including sturdy steel frames, responsive brakes, and grippy tires, ensuring reliability and safety during every ride. Whether you're hitting the skate park, cruising the neighborhood, or honing your skills at the BMX track, the Bicycle 20 and 16 Freestyle Bike is your ticket to endless adventure and fun. Number 3. 20-inch Freestyle Youth BMX Bicycle. The 20-inch Freestyle Youth BMX Bicycle is the ultimate ride for adventurous youngsters aged 6 to 14. Designed for both boys and girls, this bike is perfect for beginner-level riders looking to explore the world of BMX. With its sleek black finish, it exudes a cool and stylish vibe that any teen would love. Equipped with 4 pegs, this bike offers versatility for tricks and stunts, allowing young riders to unleash their creativity and master new skills. The sturdy frame ensures durability and stability, providing a safe and enjoyable riding experience for kids as they develop their biking abilities. Whether cruising around the neighborhood or hitting the local skate park, this BMX bicycle delivers smooth performance and responsive handling, giving riders the confidence to tackle any terrain. It's the ideal choice for active youth seeking excitement and adventure on 2 wheels. Get ready to hit the streets and unleash your inner daredevil with the 20-inch Freestyle Youth BMX Bicycle. Number 4. Elite BMX Bicycle. The Elite BMX Bicycle offers versatility and performance across 3 distinct sizes, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 26-inch models. Engineered for freestyle riding, each bike boasts a robust 3-piece crank system, ensuring durability and smooth pedaling motion during your most intense tricks and maneuvers. Crafted with precision, these bikes feature high-quality components designed to withstand the rigors of freestyle BMX riding. The sturdy frame construction provides stability and strength, giving riders confidence to push their limits on ramps, rails, and street courses. With their sleek design and vibrant color options, Elite BMX bicycles not only deliver outstanding performance but also turn heads wherever you ride. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills or a seasoned pro seeking the ultimate ride, these bikes offer the reliability and performance needed to elevate your freestyle BMX experience. Choose your preferred size 18-inch, 20-inch, or 26-inch and unlock the full potential of freestyle BMX riding with the Elite BMX bicycle. Number 5. Mongoose Legion Freestyle BMX Bike. The Mongoose Legion Freestyle BMX Bike is engineered for the rigorous demands of advanced level and professional riders, offering unparalleled performance and durability. Crafted with a 4130 chromoly frame, this bike ensures superior strength and resilience to handle intense riding sessions. Its 20-inch wheels provide optimal agility and maneuverability, empowering riders to tackle complex tricks and stunts with precision. Designed to cater to both adult men and women, the Mongoose Legion Freestyle BMX bike boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, appealing to riders of all preferences. Whether you're honing your skills in the skate park or dominating the streets, this bike delivers exceptional performance and style. Featuring high-quality components and meticulous attention to detail, this BMX bike is built to withstand the rigors of aggressive riding. With its reliable construction and advanced features, the Mongoose Legion Freestyle BMX bike is the ultimate choice for riders seeking top-tier performance and reliability in their BMX endeavors.